Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a little product review. We're gonna test some new LEDs thanks to the company Novsight. They sent me 9005 and 9006 LEDs and we're gonna put it to the test. Easiest way is just to put them on the car, drive around to see how they look at night. But for this test on the Novsight, before we put them on the Honda Accord, we're gonna put them on this projector. If you guys know, sometimes we test LEDs on the projector, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put these LEDs first to the test so you can see the difference. This is some cheap LED. Probably someone sent me this a long time ago. I don't remember where these LEDs came from. I believe this is 9006. First, we're gonna put that one on the projector, then one of the knob sides on the projector. Then we're gonna put some of the halogen bulbs on the projector to see the difference. And after that, we're gonna put all those three lights on the reflector. So first it's gonna be the projector and then the reflector. To begin with this test, first we're gonna open the box to see what we have in here. I believe these ones are gonna be okay. They're gonna be really bright. Let's see the design. On the box, you're gonna have a key tag, really good. I'm gonna put that on my keys. You're gonna have another gift too from Novsight. This is a little gift. I think you can put it whatever you want and just hang stuff on it. So that's pretty cool. You're gonna have instructions. Probably I don't need this. In case that you're new to this, go and read all the instructions. Now we have the LEDs. You're gonna have zip ties, O-rings in case you need to swap them, because sometimes you do need to swap them for, depends on the housing that you're using it. And then we have the LED. It has the driver in here, and if you can see, it looks like a car. Really good. And this is the LED. It has a fan in it. Quality looks good. And if you see how thin the tip is, probably this is gonna be a very good LED for projector. Maybe for the reflector too. That's why we're using the projector and reflector for this test. Let's see how bright they are. If you have a Honda Accord, this is gonna be 9005 for the high beam, and this is gonna be the 9006 for the low beam. Okay guys, we have the setup ready. Let's see how those cheap LEDs look like. You can see right in the middle, right on that area, you can see the tip of the LED. So yeah, this LED is not good for projector, as you can see in there. It has a nice cutout, but probably that little part right there in the middle is not gonna be good. Now let's put the halogen bulb. We have the halogen bulb on the projector. Nice cutout. You see on the halogen bulb, you don't see anything right on the middle. No circle, no dark circle in the middle. So halogen bulb is really good on projector. As you can see, nice cutout and super bright right in the middle where it's supposed to be. Okay, now let's move to the knob side and let's put one LED on the projector. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we have now the knob side. Look at that. It looks really good. In camera, it looks a little bit dark right there on the bottom, but as same as the halogen bulb. You see the cutout on top, really clear, really nice. I knew it was gonna be super bright on projector. So if you buy these LEDs and you have projectors on your vehicle, they're really good for it. You see the nice cutout, super bright right there on top. That's where it needs to be super bright, because you're gonna have very good illumination with this setup. Now let's move all three LEDs to the reflector. Okay, we wanna start with the halogen bulb on reflector. You can see there. Let me put it the right way, straight. That is straight. As you can see, the halogen bulb is really good because there is nothing on front of it. So pure illumination that you're gonna get with these ones. Not bright, but the illumination is gonna be okay. Now let's move to the cheap LEDs. Now we have the cheap LED on reflector. I think this is where this one is gonna shine. Yep, same as the halogen bulb, really bright because this LED is designed for reflector. As you can see, it's doing the same as the halogen bulb but brighter. So this LED is for reflector. As you can see, that's where it shines. Now let's move to the Novsight on reflector. That's the Novsight on reflector. Obviously, it's a little bit brighter than the cheap LED, and it works really good on reflector as well. So either way, with these LEDs, I think they pass the test. You can use them on reflector or projector. But maybe for reflector, this one is gonna be too bright. So I think if you have projector, this LED is gonna be the way to go. Okay guys, so I think Novsight passed the test on the projector and reflector. And sometimes a lot of companies, they ask me if I can do review on their lights. Most of them, they say no because I told them about this review. And they know that they don't have a good quality LEDs. Because if I'm gonna do this test with the projector, they know that their LEDs, they're not gonna pass, so they don't even bother. That's why on these LEDs I knew that they were gonna work for the design, so they passed the test. Now let's put them on the Honda Accord. I think we already have LEDs on it, so I have some LEDs. We're gonna leave them on that side. We're gonna put the knob side on this side. Super easy. You just twist the bulb and plug it for low and for high beam. We're gonna put them on this side. I don't think we're gonna see any difference between what we have right now and the knob side, but let's see. If you can see right there inside, that's the way the LED is supposed to look like, with the LED chips on each side, not crooked. Make sure that you put it that way. Same thing on this side. Let's see how bright they are. Well, probably on camera you're not gonna see it. Probably you do. Knob side is brighter than those. I was checking the box. I think it's 6000K. I believe it's that same as that one, but that one is not as bright as this one because this one, it has the little driver, so they're gonna produce more light. As you can see, super bright, and you can see the difference right there. And I believe that one is 6000K as well. But like I said, don't quote me on this. I think that one is 6000K, but I'm not sure. I was checking the box. I don't see that number anywhere. But it's brighter. Now let's check the high beam. Yeah, definitely. They look really good. The cutout and everything, it looks really good on reflector. As you can see, it looks the same as the other one, but this one is much brighter. I like it. There you go. Super bright on both sides now. Okay, now let's take the car outside. Let's see how they look on the dark. Oh wow. Yep, they're good. Let's go for a little ride. Yeah, definitely they're good. They're really bright. You saw it on the footage. They're brighter than the ones that I had before. Nothing wrong with the other ones. These ones, they're just a little bit brighter. You can see the road really, really good. Okay, I think this is all that we need to see. Let's go back to the house to finish this episode. Okay guys, there you have it. Link is gonna be in the description for this Novsight 9005 and 9006. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.